Only true cybersecurity experts score 100%. What ensures data remains completely unchanged? What hides data from unauthorized users? Which law protects healthcare data privacy? What verifies a user's claimed identity? What blocks unauthorized network traffic? What protects EU citizens' data privacy? What ensures systems stay accessible? What secures credit card transactions? What requires two verification methods? What fixes software security flaws? What is unreadable encrypted data called? What grants specific access rights? What creates a secure network tunnel? What tracks user actions on systems? What protects against malicious software? What proves an action occurred? What framework manages cybersecurity risk? What isolates a public-facing network segment? What creates a unique data fingerprint? What law protects student educational records? What tests systems for security vulnerabilities? What manages multiple passwords securely? What standard audit service organizations? What protects data at rest? What monitors network traffic for threats? What plan ensures business operations continue? What recovers IT systems after disasters? What policy dictates acceptable IT use? What masks internal IP addresses? What protects against DDoS attacks? What protocol secures websites via encryption? What verifies software publisher identity? What prevents unauthorized physical tailgating? What model assumes networks are hostile? What analyzes behavior for unknown threats? What law protects California consumer privacy? What protects systems from power loss? What provides redundancy for hard drives?